In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto brightness on laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To turn off the auto brightness feature, all you need to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is use the search box at the top, type display into here, and you should see an option come up called display settings. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, if you look at the top, we've got the brightness slider bar, which we can adjust by turning up and down. But if you click onto the small arrow next to this, you're going to see an option called change brightness based on content. What you need to do is, if this is currently turned on, you want to turn this off. You might also see another option called change brightness automatically when light changes, which again, if you turn that off, that's going to turn off the auto brightness feature on your laptop or PC. So that is how to turn off auto brightness on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.